Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change the oil in your Audi A3. Before we begin, it is crucial to gather all your tools, including a new oil filter, fresh engine oil, and a drain pan. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely lifted and stable. Always wear gloves and eye protection. Remember to check your owner's manual for the exact oil type and the precise amount your Audi A3 requires, typically around 5 to 6 quarts of synthetic oil. Now let's get to draining the old oil. Carefully locate the oil pan beneath your engine and position your drain pan directly underneath it. Using the correct wrench, remove the drain plug and allow all the old, dirty oil to flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, inspect the drain plug and replace the crush washer to ensure a tight seal. Then, reinstall the drain plug firmly, but do not over-tighten it. With the old oil drained, it is time to replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, which might be a cartridge or spin-on type, and remove it using an oil filter wrench. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it is snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more but never over-tighten it. Finally, let's add the fresh engine oil. Locate your engine's oil fill cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Slowly pour in the recommended amount of new oil, typically around 5 to 6 quarts, using a funnel to prevent spills. Once filled, start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the oil, checking for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Turn off the engine, wait 5 minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.